I will be launching an Audacity masterclass in July. You can see the modules of the masterclass on screen. It is basically 6 video calls via Zoom. The first class will start on the 7th of July. This is an invitation-only program and is only available to Audacity bundle takers. If you are already enrolled in the Audacity bundle or enroll before July 7th, you will get the invitation. If you register for the masterclass upon receiving the invitation, you will get the recordings of the sessions afterward. And of course, you can attend the online class via Zoom when it takes place. So why this masterclass? Well, not all the necessary concepts and tricks can be taught through screen recordings. Sometimes, it needs to be shown live. Also, things change constantly, such as the Audacity interface, features, or technical requirements for audio in audiobooks or voiceovers. Showing live in a masterclass allows me to give you the latest information faster. So if you want to be part of masterclass, 1. Enroll in Audacity bundle if you are not already. It is a good time, 30% discount going till June 30th. 2. Wait for the invitation email before July 7th. I will also make another video on this channel once I send the invitation. So you will know that I am sending the invitation in case you miss the email. The following are the modules that will be covered in the masterclass. I have also posted the curriculum on my YouTube community page. Both the community link and the Audacity bundle link will be given in the description. If you like to participate, please enroll in the Audacity bundle. If you are already enrolled, you will get the invitation in due time.